Hola, what's up, guys? Hey, James Paradise.
I am a man, and he's my friend.
There you go, perfecto. Hey, look, we're hanging out here. Check out this fish we're about to eat. Look at that. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Hola, hello, how are you? Don't eat me too much. Look at that. Amazing fish caught right out of the Caribbean Ocean. We're all hungry. Hey, stop it! We're all hungry. Ready to eat.
Ya venía así en la lata, ¿no? Pensamos que era el mismo ordenador.
But anyway, hey, if you guys are watching my videos and stuff, we're in the Caribbean right now in Mexico. We're eating some dinner. It's a little late at night. We actually worked all day today. It's about 9 o'clock at night. But if you're watching my videos, the number one way to make money online right now, actually we're in February now, February 2020, is to do this. Listen to me. And I want you to click on the description below. Oh, and by the way, if you love my videos, subscribe to my channel, ring on the notification bell. All my videos get a notification of all my videos. Ring that bell, bing, 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 and subscribe to my channel, and then click like, right? See, click the thumb, like, and get all my videos. Here's why. The number one way to make money right now is to post one ad, have people go watch a video, and buy a product. That's it. 3 steps.
Go to see my page, Brazers.com.
Perfect. It's actually 2 steps. Post an ad, go buy a product. That's what it is. You post an ad, you buy a product. Now, if you guys are trying to do stuff for free, if you're trying to do search engine optimization, SEO, you're trying to post stuff out there, and you're not investing any money into advertising and marketing, you're going to spend months and months and months, if not years, trying to build a business. The smart people take $5, $10, or $100, even let's say $100. You take $100 and you create an excellent ad, and then Facebook, Instagram, Google will show that ad to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 people. Let's just say for $100, they show it to, let's say 20,000 people. For $10, they're going to show it to 10,000. So for $100, they're probably going to show it to at least 50,000 or more people. But let's just say you use $10. Let's use $10, that's it. And I have proven results. I can guarantee your success. $10, and only 10,000 people see your ad. Well, if only 1% go buy your product for $100, what's 1% of 10,000? That's pretty simple. That's 100 people. So will you stop? So that's 100 people. And then I got to eat this food here. Look at that fish. That's amazing. Look at that. That's 100 people. Look, he's going to talk. Hello, how are you? Post one ad, invest $10 on a Facebook, Instagram ad, even Google. Let's just say you do Google, post one ad, $10, send people to watch a really cool video and explain your product. If you don't have a product, sell my product. I have an amazing product. It's the number one product in the world right now, February 2020. Which I'll tell you about later. And by the way, in the description, I give you everything. Go click on the links and you can go see my product. And they pay $100. What's 100 times 100? What's 100 times 100? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $10,000. So do the math, guys. You invest $10. You sell a $100 product, and 100 people buy it. That's $10,000. That's a lot of, that's a lot of money. That's how you make money really fast. You have to invest into marketing. And if anybody tells you any different, they're lying. Any rich multimillionaire person will tell you the quickest way to make money is to invest into marketing. You have to run an ad. Look at the Super Bowl. We just had the Super Bowl a couple of days ago on Sunday. Why do you think people spend $1 million for a 30-second commercial? Because they have over 100 million people watching the commercial. That's how you make money. So if you're serious, I want you to contact me below. I'm not looking for everybody. Out of 1,000 people, I know maybe only 100 or so people will contact me who are serious. Post one ad, invest $10, and sell your product, and put your ad in front of tens of thousands of people. Look, for $1,000, Facebook will put your ad in front of 1 million people. And if 1 million people see your ad, it's just a numbers game, guys. They're going to buy your product. All right, click on the description below. I'd like to help you. If you have any questions, comment below, subscribe, click the notification button, get all my videos, and like this channel. I got more videos coming up, okay? Again, last time, #1 way to make money for 2020. Invest money into yourself and invest into an ad. Marketing. Promote your product the right way. Spend money on an ad and put it in front of hundreds of thousands of people. Okay? All right. I'll see you soon.